Hi, I'm Max Mishakov and this is my singing tutorials. Today's question sounds like this: how to not yell high notes, how to not kill your voice after 3 songs. So, why do we start yelling? This happens because our muscles forget to narrow the larynx, so we need more air pressure and we need to yell. This is the first reason. The second reason might be we don't use our resonators, so our soft palate doesn't work enough, and our resonators don't resonate enough. But first of all, let's discuss the first reason. Again, our muscles forget to narrow the larynx. And I will suggest to you with this exercise. We will sing first NG sound, then vowels, and we will do this in turns. NG sound, vowels, NG sound, vowels. When we sing NG sound, we have to remind our muscles how to narrow the larynx, and we have to start from light voice, because other muscles they shouldn't work. That's how we will explain our muscles, that only the muscles that narrow the larynx, only they should work. Okay. For example, here. Okay, there's no narrowing. Let's feel the muscles that make it narrow. This one. So it becomes ringing. It means that the narrowing happens. No narrowing. Narrowing happens. And now I can sing without strain, very loud. Let's continue. No narrowing. So now it's okay. Let's go higher. No narrowing. And I can sing very high without any strain. This happens because I reminded the muscles about narrowing, and I also reminded them that nothing else, no other muscles should work. So if you have this issue, if you start yelling, I recommend you this kind of exercise. Then the next reason is raising your soft palate to get more resonance and richer tone. If we don't raise our soft palate, if it doesn't work, we start sounding like this. Okay, no. This happened because I forgot to narrow the larynx. But so okay, sorry, I don't know how to show it, because I'm used to sing in the proper way. So if you're okay, I'll try. Like this. Now it was both. It was wide larynx, and also the soft palate didn't work in a proper way. So the second reason is your soft palate working. When it works, it directs your sound into resonators, and you don't have to push a lot. That's why I suggest you to watch my video about soft palate. Thank you for watching. Try it. See you in the next videos.